The average weight of 8 persons increases by 2.5 kgs when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 65 kgs. What might be the weight of the new person? Options given: 85, 80, 75 and 70. Now let us check the method generally taught in schools. Let A be the average of 8. New person weighing x kg replaces 65 kgs. 8a plus x minus 65 is 8 into a plus 2.5. We get x as 85 kgs. Hence, 85 is the answer. Now let us try the shortcut. 8 persons, the average increases by 2.5 kgs. Total increase 20 kgs. A person leaves whose weight is 65 kgs. Since the average increases, the new person is heavier. He is heavier by 20 kgs. 85 kg is the answer. Thank you.